Hi everyone, welcome back to Indras Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate your Instagram feed into your WordPress website posts. By following these simple steps, you can easily add Instagram feed to your WordPress site. So let me just show you how it looks. Can you see I have embedded one single post so that if anyone clicks on this, they can directly go to your Instagram account. And this is a single post, and if you can see I have added the carousel format also, and even I have added the gallery also. So if anyone clicks on it, again it will take you to the Instagram account. So if you wanted to add these, if you want to add Instagram feed in your WordPress website posts, then follow these simple steps. Let's get started. So let's log into the WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins and add a new plugin, and just source the plugin social feed. Okay, so this is the one, social feed gallery, and click on install and activate it. All right, and activate. Okay, after plugin got installed, go to, in the left side you can see social feed gallery. Just click on that and go to accounts and connect your personal account or a business account, anyone. Okay, I'll connect the personal account. Click on this. Okay. And it'll ask for Instagram username and password. Just enter them. Just here. Okay, allow them. All right. So actually it is connected. Just refresh. So sometimes if it is not coming, you can the pause all. Okay. So that it will display. So now the account is connected with WordPress. So now we have to go to feeds to create a new feed. Just click on feed, and here you need to choose your account. After that we have gallery, carousel and all. First I'll do gallery. Click here, and total how many you know images that you want to display and how many columns that you needed. Please select it. What I will do, I'll select limit as, I'll select 8. I'll give 8, and the columns I'll give 2, and then save. After that, copy this shortcode and go to your posts. And this is a post that I want to add. So edit with Elementor. And in this post, I want to add this somewhere above this. Okay. So search the element social. Okay, shortcode. Search shortcode and drop here. And the shortcode you paste it which you copied. All right. Just publish. Here also apply. Right. So now it is added. So click here and view the page. Scroll little down, and you can see that we have the Instagram. So for example, now it is coming two columns, right? Two columns. So 8 images, right? So you can go back to your dashboard and you can customize again. So go to social feed gallery and feeds. For example, you can edit again. So you click here. For example, limit is 8, but columns I want to show 4. Right? 4 columns, 8 is the limit. Just save. Now if you go and refresh, so now you can see. So in one row, 4 images, second row, 4 images are coming. Right? And you can see view on Instagram. If anyone clicks here, it will take you to the Instagram. All right. So this is how you need to add the gallery part. Okay. So let me show you how to add the carousel. Right. So let's go back to the social feed gallery feeds and click on feed and say choose your account. And this time we'll select carousel. So then give a limit. Okay. I'll give 10, then save and copy same process. And so copy this carousel, copy and go to the same post. Let me go to the same post, this same post, edit with Elementor, edit with Elementor. And here, I think above this, here I will add. So just search again the shortcut, take it in between this post content, I will just add and paste and then apply, publish. All right, let's refresh this. Now you can see the carousel format has come, right? See, people can click here and they can see the all the posts. So if anyone clicks here, it will take you to the Instagram. All right. So this is the carousel. So even I'll show you right now. Even you can, add one single post also. You can add it to your website. How? Just click here, click on embedded, copy this embedded code, go to your website and that particular post. For example, here I want to display that single post. Here, just search for HTML, add it here, and paste that embedded code. Now you can see that you can add a single post also, particular post, and publish and then view on the page. So if you see one post also we can display and carousel also can be done and the gallery part also can be done. So this is how you can embed or you can add your Instagram feed to your WordPress website posts. So thank you for watching this video. So if you want to get more updates from Indras Academy's YouTube channel, please do subscribe and encourage us. Thank you.